Okay, so here we are at the St. Petersburg train station, and behind me you'll see that's the rail map that connects, well, across the whole former Soviet Union, from Riga to Odessa all the way down. Where does it end? Well, Almaty. And anyway, we're heading to Moscow now, so new experience on a double-decker train. We'll see how this goes. Let's see where we're going. Is that really the front of it? Is that the back? Oh, we have a double-decker. We got to find our spot. Okay, we're at car number 7. Okay, so there's our cart. There's our lady. Let's go in. Okay, so this is us. Private little room. We've got a TV, beds if we want to sleep, stuff that we could buy on the road. This is the in-train magazine. Goes up and down if we want to sleep. And that's it. We begin our trip. Okay, so what's the bathroom look like? Okay, that looks really nice and clean. Hello. Alright, it's not bad at all. I guess this gets you to the other carts. Okay, well, there you go. That's our train. Our double-decker. Ooh, we can go upstairs. Just the same thing, but just higher. Okay, we're starting to move. It's certainly a lot quieter than I thought. I thought trains were supposed to be a lot noisier. This is much quieter than the one that we took the other day. Okay, so this is a bed. So you can be sleeping if you want to have a nap.